Guys, welcome to my channel, and here I come up with an error while I am creating a component. So the error is basically the clash of the modules when I am creating a component. So the error clearly states that more than one module matches, and use the skip import option to skip importing the component into the closest module, or use the module option to specify a module. So there is two options it provides, and I go into the second one, that is use the module option to specify a module. So basically you know that the dry run is basically to not run the command, and we can actually use it for just checking how the command interprets in our file system. So when I use module, say module app, I mention it as a app, and then I create in the component. So before using module argument, I will try to show you what this commands generates. So this is the output, I mean the error we got it. So now I execute the same command using module app. I specify the module as app, and I simply run it to check whether that is correct or not. So basically the dry run command argument will not affect the file system, and it will just showcase what it is going to create and what it is going to update it. But the one which we are concerned is mainly this module argument, where I am specifying the module as app, and now there is no clashes in creating the particular component called as landing. Okay, now this is working fine. Now I will remove this dry run and I will create it. Yes, now the component is created. That's it guys. Thank you.